N2S Feed Traffic Selling Strategy, earn 1,000 plus daily. Did you know that it is possible to earn 1,000 plus in revenue from website traffic? N2S Feed Traffic. Monetization is a new strategy where you can sell traffic on a CPC cost per click model. Today, I will show you how you can increase your income by selling real-time traffic with globalcontentspace.com. Step 1. What is N2S Feed and how does it work? N2S Feed is an AI-powered ad network that works on a CPC model to monetize your website traffic. Key features: real-time traffic monitoring, automated click analytics, CPC-based revenue generation ad network integration, Google AdSense, Ezoic, Adstera. Step 2. Use high CPC traffic sources. If your traffic comes from the US, Canada, UK, Australia, your CPC will be much higher. High CPC traffic sources: Google organic traffic, SEO-optimized blogs, Quora and Reddit marketing, Facebook ads, plus Pinterest strategy, YouTube shorts, plus TikTok video marketing. Step 3. How to increase income by selling traffic. Target Tier 1 countries: USA, UK, Canada, Australia. Write SEO-optimized blogs, high CPC keywords. Drive organic traffic from social media. Use CPC ads from N2S Feed. You can earn 1,000 plus in just 100 clicks. Step 4. Secret boosting strategy, hidden trick. Google Ads. Promote high CPC keywords. Use N2S Feed. Traffic exchange method. Follow VPN traffic and AdSense. Safe method. Geo-targeting ad campaign. Final result: 1,000 passive income daily. Sell and earn real-time traffic. Google AdSense plus N2S Feed. Revenue boost high. CPC keyword, targeting and blog monetization. 10,000 or plus income possible in one taka. For more updates, visit globalcontentspace.com. If you like the video, stay with us by like, comment, share, and subscribe for more updates.